In this video, I'll show you how to appear offline on Instagram. This lets you use Instagram without others seeing when you're online or last active. First, open the Instagram app. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now, tap the three lines in the top right corner. From the menu, tap Settings and Activity. Scroll down to the section called How Others Can Interact with You. Tap Messages and Story Replies. Next, tap Show Activity Status. Here you'll see a toggle that allows people to see when you're active. Turn this toggle off. Once it's off, no one will be able to see when you're online or last active. Keep in mind, when you turn this off, you also won't see other people's online status. And that's it. You're now appearing offline on Instagram. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips.